Welcome back, students. So here we are, we're doing question 6 on the 2021 paper. Okay, we'll start off with section A. So A, B, C, and D are 4 points as shown on the grid. Okay, so when we need to know about these and use them, if we do, we'll get to the little detail about the coordinates. So answer the following questions down here. Answer the following. The answer in each case is A, B, C, or D. Okay, so what's the image of A by the central symmetry in the origin? Okay, so where do we get to? From A, if we do central symmetry in the origin. Well, the idea of central symmetry in the origin is to pass from A through the origin and on by the same amount again. On by the same distance again. What we notice here is that brings us directly to C. Okay, so the image of A under central symmetry in the origin is C. Now the image of C by the axial symmetry in the y-axis is where does this point go if it goes in perpendicular to the y-axis and on by the same amount? And the answer is clearly D. And then we're asked to find the area of triangle ABC. ABC. Find the area of this triangle. Okay. Given that each small square box is 0.5 by 0.5, half by half. Okay. So we have to find out how many boxes we have. We could do it by counting, or another strategy would be to do it by noticing, actually that we're not going to use the boxes. There's a much quicker way of doing it, and this is at -3 because of this number here, and of course this is at 3, whereas B is at 3, so 6 is the direct centimeter side length. And similarly, we're going from being +5 to being -5. So 10 is the centimeter height. Okay. Now, we should probably know the area of a triangle at this stage as base by perpendicular height. But let's go and look at it anyway in the tables. So in terms of length and areas, we see here the area of a triangle is given. And a quick bit of trivia for you is that this is the only formula that occurs in 2 places in the log tables, in the formula and tables log booklet, as they're actually called. I keep calling them log tables because they used to be called log tables a long time ago, for a reason I'm not going to go into. Okay, so we have base A and height H. Now in our case, either of the legs can be called the base, but we typically call the lower one the base and then the other one the height because they're already perpendicular. So that's the special situation in here. So we'll call the base 6 and the height 10. So we have a half of 6 by 10, or simply 6 by 10 over 2. Okay, if you want to do a bit of mental maths, 2 into 6 is 3, 3 tens is 30. You can also fill that into your calculator and you'll get 30, and then we have centimeters squared. Incidentally, you would have got 120 boxes squared, and then you'd have to divide by 4 if you used that other piece of information they gave us. Okay, so 30 centimeters squared. Now, if the question goes on to a completely new question, which it does in trigonometry, we'll do that in a different video. So, as always, students, I will see you.